My name is Mankind. I am from Battambang province, Cambodia. I am 33 years old. Okay, once they get the education from here, they also can continue their university and also they can get their own degree and help them to get a job and for them to understand what the real situation once they are facing in the real world and outside world.
Hello.
Hello. We love you. Thank you all to me for helping us school bells school. We love you.
For building us a very wonderful school.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Supi and I am live in Battambang province also and especially I am 21 years old. I try to research something new, especially when I go to study at university. I try to take new skill and I try to learn everything that can support all the students. We focus on discipline, quality, can write English, can read English, and can communicate with foreigners while they are coming in also. Nowadays, all the world people need English. English is the second language to communicate with other people. For me, I just going to my class.
Okay, what class do you have?
For today, I operating management.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, hello, my name is Sophie.
Hello, my name is Noj.
Yeah, I'm thank you for pens and needles for providing me scholarships for attend university and to teach at Hdlf school.
What's this place? Huh? And where are your classrooms?